Define first ionization energy. First ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an atom in its gaseous state. Recall periodic trends. Generally, first ionization energy increases as you move from left to right across a period, due to increasing effective nuclear charge, and decreases as you move down a group, due to increased electron shielding and a greater distance between the nucleus and the valence electrons. Locate the elements on the periodic table. Using the provided periodic table, identify the positions of the choices. Cs, cesium period 6, group 1. Ag, silver period 5, group 11. Pb, lead period 6, group 14. Br, bromine period 4, group 17. Say, selenium period 4, group 16. Identify the extremes. The lowest ionization energy is typically found in the bottom left corner of the periodic table, where atoms have the largest radii and their valence electrons are furthest from the nucleus. Compare positions. Cesium, Cs, is located furthest to the left, group 1, and is tied for the furthest down, period 6. Its single valence electron is in the SIXS orbital, very far from the nucleus and heavily shielded by 54 inner electrons, making it exceptionally easy to remove compared to the other elements listed. The correct answer is option A, Cs.